I'm making this recording on a little bit of a different machine because the machine is getting overwhelmed and it can't take any more. I mean, it's fine, but I just don't want to burden it anymore because I can tell that I didn't allocate enough memory to it. So I want to get through Friday without having it crash. So I'm just gonna not tax it anymore. And this is one more trade that I want to put on, and I'll move it to the other machine after Friday when I can reboot the machine and allocate more memory to Thinkorswim. But in the meantime, a friend of mine was reminding me of another trade that I used to do that actually I back tested it for a year in real time because my friend has a lot of money in an account that he cannot withdraw. It's a government account and you can't take any money out, but what you can do is either put it in a cash account or put it in the what do you call it, in an account that's tied to the S&P, and you can do it once a month on a day-to-day basis. So I was showing him how you could make money by selling calls against it and basically getting in and getting out and making money every month without ever really putting that capital at risk. And we did it for a year, and he's just very gun shy, so he never actually wanted to do it because he's very scared. But he sees that it works, and I gave me the idea to do it this way. And I'm starting to just think I'm gonna maybe do these long-term trades. Maybe I'll do one Ryan and one and just the bearish or something or whatever. But the other trades are even I think they could end up working, but they're kind of time consuming, which I don't really like. So this is another one of the ones that you don't have the time horizon is longer. You're not likely to have to do much on a day-to-day basis, just on the day that you close. And just so you know, when I put this trade on, it's sometimes it takes 3 or 4 days to win, sometimes it takes a week and a half, 2 weeks, sometimes it took 3 months one time, and the market just runs like crazy. So it's a very simple trade though, and it's very similar, and I like it a lot actually. So I'm not gonna do the worst possible fill, because in a trade like this, when you know you're gonna be in it for weeks, you don't do it that way. You just make sure you get a good fill and you play around a little bit till you get a decent fill. So, and I've done thousands of these trades. I mean, of vertical spread. So, I can tell you from experience that it's not gonna be way over there. It's not gonna be. Sometimes it is there, but usually if I go a quarter off, I would get that. But to be safe, I'm gonna go there. But I just don't want to be. It's 320. It's always the 25s. So this is a realistic fill right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. 33.725. So 33.25 is a realistic fill, which I'm gonna do this time because it's a longer term trade, and I would just wait till I get it. You don't have to hurry like you on the weekly trades. Okay, so then once you do that, then you can see here I close this, boom, now I'm in. So 43, that's fine, $43 down. So what's the next part? So the next part is it's 33, call it 33.30. So if it goes up to 32.50, let's see, yeah. If we go to 32.50, I'm going to get into the trade, and I'm going to stay in the trade until it goes below back in the 32.20. And it's the same thing as the whipsawing, but it's a much bigger thing. And the reason that you do it down here is because if it goes up to there and then it comes back down, you should be in some profit if it goes lower than where you got in. So it's real simple, this trade, and then you just wait till you make money. So because look what happens, you get in at 32.50, and then you're just flat, and you stay flat. Like you're making $14 a day, and now look, this trade, can be scaled up pretty well, pretty easily, and it's a very easy trade. So I like it a lot, and I was always planning on going back to this. We were calling this Dave's trade because my friend's name is Dave, but it's, I know we might end up trading for other people, so we can't call it that. So I'm calling this a vertical bear. So anyway, that's this trade. If it goes above, right now the time is, I'm about to go play tennis, I think. So time is about 7. It's 10:45, 7:15. Just making that note, so later I can go put it in the chart properly. But in the meantime, this is the trade, and we'll watch it play out over time. So this one, my my put spread trade, and maybe my flat delta trade, and the volatility proof trade. The volatility proof trade you got to deal with every week, but I'm not planning on being in all these trades. I think because it's too much work. But in the meantime, I'm playing them out. So so far my thinking is, oh, maybe the bearish, the core puts, definitely probably the vertical bear because it's so easy. Definitely the put spreads, and the flat delta, and probably, but we'll see. The volatility proof one, I have to see how much work it is. But so anyway, I just wanted to say that really fast. Okay.